Formative testing, advantages and disadvantages. While teaching or undertaking a unit or curriculum, instructors conduct formative assessments of students' comprehension, learning requirements, and intellectual development using various techniques. Formative evaluation enables educators to recognize concepts that learners are struggling to comprehend, abilities they are having trouble obtaining, or achievement standards they have not attained. Therefore, identifying such weaknesses will enhance the modification of lessons, pedagogical approaches, and education programs accordingly. The following are some of the benefits and limitations of formative testing as an education evaluation method. A formative assessment encompasses a broad spectrum of diagnostics demanded by learners or persons. The primary factor that empowers students to evaluate what they are studying and understand its rationale is feedback. Thus, this type of evaluation assists individuals in increasing their productivity and accomplishing goals. Additionally, the formative process is advantageous because it allows for modifying instruction and other vocational techniques in the long term. Early vulnerability is identified, mitigation is administered, individuals are regularly monitored, and progress is made through frequent communication. Lastly, Barana suggests that documentation regarding the operational condition of resolution and dispute administration is provided alongside formative evaluations. As such, the early and middle steps of the design explain the methods used to address the identified workplace issues and the results obtained. Monthly, weekly, or daily formative evaluations are considered time-consuming. Thus, this is because they necessitate constant data collection, interpretation, and disclosure in the clarification of new execution and its effectiveness. Moreover, Wilkie and Leafeith insinuate that planning and practicing can be an exhausting procedure, and some suggestions cannot always be incorporated. Finally, funding constraints limit the frequency of formative assessment, for if financing initiatives are comprehensive and flawless, this kind of testing with mid-course adjustments can be provided.